Melissa and Mickey here. I'm on another exciting Disney adventure, and today my adventures take me to the Walt Disney World Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. I love the Grand Floridian. We have been having so much fun. We are staying in a 2-queen deluxe, which also has the sleeper sofa, Lagoon view room. So let's go in, let's look and see what accommodations might be enjoyable for your family. We're in 5413. It's right by the private walking path that goes to Magic Kingdom. I call it private. It's anybody can use it, but it's really good when you're staying here at the Grand Floridian. So it'll be great to try that. And when you book your next Disney vacation with Melissa and Mickey, I'll go over all of that with you, tell you how to get everywhere, because there's a lot of magic to be had here and you want to have the best vacation ever. So contact me, Melissa and Mickey. You can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. It would be my pleasure to assist you with my complimentary services. And now let's go tour the beautiful Grand Floridian Resort room. So 5413. And the first thing I'm going to do, as always, is show you around the room. First thing I notice is the hardwood floors here, very nice. We have a 2-sink bathroom this way. We have 2 queen beds, and then in just a moment I'll tell you why it's a deluxe room. And we've got a flat screen TV, our coffee maker, and our desk. So let's start over here with the 2 queen beds. No storage underneath, but in a minute I'll show you the great closet where you can put your luggage. We have a side table here, lots of storage, got a phone, jacks, and I do see USB cords too, so that plugs, that's great. And here is your remote control. It is clean for your safety. Here's our second bed here, awesome. And then we have we have some swans here. And then we have a chair, awesome, with a lamp, a floor lamp. And then here is our flat screen TV and chest of drawers. Lots of storage. And I love that the flat screen TV has the guest names on it. So Giles and Wahardo will be here this evening, which is awesome. Now let's look here. We have a dorm size refrigerator. My guests always ask me, how big is the refrigerator? Well, you can have, I recommend only 2 half-gallons of milk, and we can talk about how we can get groceries delivered to your room. That's one of the services that I do provide my guests that book with Melissa and Mickey. And here is the desk. If you need to work, that's great. It's here for you. And yes, I do book Disney trips here. So if you can work from everywhere, here is your desk. All right, and we have a Keurig with Joffrey's coffee, green tea, English breakfast tea, and everything you'll need. Your sugar, your sweet and low, your stirs, your half and half, and it looks like a single, so very good. And you also have disposable cups here, and you have regular coffee cups. Awesome. Now, let's look a little bit at the detailing in the room. There is your light, and I also noticed all the crown molding. Great detail for our deluxe resort. I love the colors in here. Now let's go back into the entryway and talk to you about the closet I was mentioning before. So I see we have a luggage rack in here, and then we have an iron and an ironing board, just what you need. And here are some hangers, so no need to bring those. Let's look at the other side. One of my favorite features about a deluxe resort's, you will have a robe. So yes, here's your Grand Floridian robe. I have a lot of guests that want to purchase these robes. Actually, they're really nice and comfortable. There's your hair dryer. Here is a safe where you can put your own number in there for safekeeping. There's extra pillows and blankets there, and they are also safety sealed, which is nice. Now let's go take a look at the amazing bathroom. Okay, so we have a double sink here. We have beautiful marble. I love that. We have a makeup mirror here, which is nice, and lighting along with a beautiful mirror. Now our Grand Floridian rooms are about to be updated with a big reimagination, and we're doing hopefully it's been announced that we're going to do a Mary Poppins theme, so I'll be excited to try those rooms out as well. So here's our Disney H2O products, and we have our towels. We have a laundry basket, which is a nice deluxe touch. Hardwood floors. Here's the wet area. Very nice. And here is our tub shower. And I love the fabric here. Very nice. It's your faucet. Very good. Now I'm going to go, and a full-length mirror. Look here. Awesome. And let me tell you why this room is deluxe. So this room is deluxe because not only do you have 2 queen beds, you also have an additional living room area with a sofa sleeper and a second TV. This makes it really nice for families. This bed will pull out into us, or actually I'll show you in a minute. It doesn't pull out, it just folds down, but I definitely will show that to you. So here's your sofa sleeper. Here's another flat screen TV here with more space, storage. And then we have a coffee table. We have a nice chair, more prints, another side table with a lamp. And here's our fabric. Love that. Now, let's open up this bed and see what it looks like. Here's your sofa sleeper. All I did was grab the back and flip it over. It is already made out. You can use that beautiful bedding that I showed you earlier in the closet, and you will be nice and comfortable. Now, let's talk about the view here. I mentioned a lagoon view, and I love this area, how it's jetted out, and then here you can see the Grand Floridian yacht there. I can see Space Mountain. I can see the top of Tron. Very nice. And we're really close to the quick service here. This is building 5. Now let's go out and look on the balcony. We do have a rather large balcony, so let's go see our view here. Here's our balcony. It's rather large. It has 2 chairs and a table. It's really large actually. And oh, how nice to sit here at night and see Space Mountain and probably most likely some of the enchantment fireworks. So that's going to be awesome. So excited. And again, for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa and Mickey. I'm a Disney specialist. Disney is all I do. Make sure to tune in, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow all my travels. Been all around the world. Just got back from Adventures by Disney Antarctica. Lots of room tours, lots of Disney Cruise Line. I love concierge. I will be a huge asset to help make your Disney vacation magical. So email me and we can get started planning the magic. See you real soon. My email is melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. Talk to you soon.